You know? It'll put in Minecraft. Well, I'm gathering on today here to test all of our firearms. Because I never got the fingers one back here. Yes, I was right. Okay. It's fine. Yes, I am. Yes, I know. Yep. I think this one. Dad, how many fire alarms are in the house? One in the back, one in the parlour, and one in the... Hi.
Yeah?
I feel like